Ladies and gentlemen, the Patrouille de France.
Ladies and gentlemen, bonjour à tous. We are Captains Lo and Fanny from France. It's a great honor to be here at the Patrouille Airshow with you today and to represent the French military as well as the strong friendships between our two armed forces and our two nations. Are you ready? Here we go for takeoff. The Patrouille de France is covered by 8 aircraft, each identified by number. Liberté is Malaysian West, number 1, a Naval pilot with more than 6,000 flight hours. As a leader, a guide, every driver and every pilot should receive the ring to the show.
I thought they were all taken. That's on video.
It's over. They're that good. Yeah, it's so different, and it's a small. Yeah, it's a good show. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, they were here years ago. It's incredible. I mean, I've seen the point. This is great.
This was a bit for you. The sun will be guiding.
The team is now back in the diamond formation. The pilots are flying only a few feet above while pulling up to 5 Gs during this maneuver. At the back of the formation, Naval Liberté, number 4. little bit, he joins the team with 7, and he is the next two leaders. The outer ringman, number 7 and number 8, are now moving into the upper formation. Both as all 8 aircraft roll together, turning like one single aircraft. This is one of the most challenging maneuvers of the show. Captain Jason, number 7, is very smooth. He's performing his final season with the team. Opposite him, Captain Thomas, number 8, is loose. Those pilots are correspondents with Andrew Arrow, a fighter aircraft experience. The team is known as the iconic diamond formation. Each pilot holds position by using time as a reference on the aircraft beside him. Closest to the leader are numbers 2 and 3, Captain Rochelle and Axel. The stability of the formation depends on these two pilots. They are in their first year. Now sort of 5 and sort of 6 move together to form the Concord formation during the camp. This maneuver needs perfect control and smooth flying. Captain Cedric, number 5, is the first solo pilot this season and leads the crossing maneuvers. Facing him, Captain Julien, number 6. Together, they have trained many generations of fighter pilots in the French Air and Space Corps. Welcome. With the aircraft position in a bell-shaped formation. The outer wingman perform perfectly synchronized barrel rolls. Maneuvers in transition between two music sequences, the rhythm and the synchronization. Every console leader in the most experiments pilots creates a brand new show. Look to your left, number 5. Look to your right, number 6. Color pilots are setting up for their first opposing inverted cross, one soldier inverted over the other before they smoothly swap position. A true display of timing, precision and trust at incredible speed. And now on your left, numbers 5 and 6 for the solo round. During this maneuver, pilots can fill up to 5 minutes. full suit. For our American friends here today, Spice Wedding carries a very special history. During World War I, the Spice Wedding was the first to be made up. Cloverloop continues today with the pilot of the Patrouille de France. On your right, in the front box, led by Major Brice for the sheriff maneuver. At the leader command, number 2 and 3 roll onto the side, while number 4 flies upside down.
Acting like I was part of your property. Remember paying all the time for poverty. I'm surprised they got that soul. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that shit was me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. Learning to leave when you got your life taken out.
From you, the most dynamic maneuver of the demonstration. The efficient.
Number 5 and number 6. On your right, in blue smoke, number 6 and number 8 for the Pac-Man crossing. The reds are going to hit the blues like in the game.
Solar pilots running center stage for the turning rising down.
Lightning from the sky. Else inside our veins. Full speed to the
Through this symbol, the team honors all French service members deployed in defense of freedom and national security.
As Maverick Captain Command number 8 is not flying, dancing directly above number 7 in the wrong flight, recreating the famous scene from the movie.
Now watch the two solos demonstrate the incredible precision and agility of French military fighters. The aircraft alternate between upright and inverted flight only feet apart from one another. The values of the French armed forces, commitment, courage, discipline, and excellence.
Ladies and gentlemen, the American flag is still painted across the sky by all six aircraft in celebration of the 250th anniversary of the United States of America. And now the video is speaking to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello back to the river. The Patrouille de France was deeply honored to fly for you today. Right here, by the historic waters of the Chesapeake Bay and Yorktown, our ancestors fought together for your independence. What a better place than this cradle of the US Navy flight testing to celebrate our shared history, our love for aviation, and our eternal friendship. Happy 250th anniversary. Long live America and long live France. Over.
Aerobatic London. You can find us on Instagram and follow our adventure across the United States.
You see them setting up for the break the land. Patrouille de France. St. Mary's County Chamber of Commerce, our platinum sponsors, Lockheed Martin, Rolls-Royce, our presenting sponsor. We thank them and all of our sponsors as you see the break to land in such a beautiful way. The Patrouille de France. The spacing for them to land safely one after the other, with showmanship in every aspect of the presentation, including the loop of the ladder floor. And as you can see right now, it worked out. They're all evenly spaced as around they go to recover.
So it must be that side was made for you and me. One bright sunny morning, well, when the shadow of the street falls down by the welfare I saw my people. You know my days still I stood wondering. I was wondering if this land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From Riverside, California, to Staten Island, well down to Augusta, Georgia, down to Kansas City, Philadelphia, down to Mississippi, Houston, Texas, LA. Yeah, you know this land is yours. This land is my land. Oh, this land is your land. So you gotta be there. Oh, it's my land.
Big thank you to the VTG, proud gold sponsor today. Proudly delivering agile, mission-ready solutions to warfighters across every domain: air, sea, space, and intelligence. Guided vision of tomorrow's transformations today. Happy to have their help here this weekend so we can open the doors. Celebrate aviation in 250 great years. And welcome summer. It officially arrives tomorrow, along with Father's Day. What a great weekend here in the sun at Pax River.